Part 1. Good morning. My name is Laura Mitchell. What's your full name, please?
Good morning. My name is Jason Rivera.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you, Jason. Now, I'd like to ask you a few questions about interviews. Have you ever attended an interview?
Yes, I've attended a few interviews for part-time jobs and internships.
Do you find interviews stressful?
A little bit, yes. The pressure to perform well can be stressful, but preparation helps a lot.
How do you prepare for interviews?
I research the company, practice common interview questions, choose proper clothes, and make sure I arrive early.
What is the most important thing in an interview?
Confidence, clear communication, and being honest about your skills.
Do you think interviews are a good way to judge a person?
They are useful, but not perfect. Some people get nervous even if they have great skills.
Part 2. Thank you. Now, I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for about 2 minutes. Your topic is describe an interview experience you remember well. You should say what the interview was for, when and where it happened, what happened during the interview, and explain why you remember it so well. 1 minute preparation pause. All right, Jason, please begin when you're ready.
One interview experience that I remember very clearly was my first ever job interview, which I had about 2 years ago. It was for a part-time position at a large electronics store in my city. I was still in college at that time, and I needed a job to support my expenses and gain some work experience. The interview took place in the store's meeting room. I remember arriving 20 minutes early because I didn't want to be late. I was dressed formally, holding my CV in a small folder and feeling both excited and nervous. It was the first time I was stepping into a real professional environment. When the manager, Mr. Thompson, called me in, he greeted me politely and asked me to sit. He made the atmosphere comfortable, which helped reduce my nervousness. He started with simple questions like, "Tell me about yourself," and "Why do you want this job?" I answered confidently because I had practiced those questions the night before. Then he asked more specific questions about customer service, teamwork, and how I would handle difficult situations. There was one question. What would you do if a customer was angry about a product? At first, I paused for a couple of seconds, but then I explained that I would stay calm, listen carefully, understand the issue, and try to offer a solution or call a senior staff member if needed. He smiled and said that was a good answer. The interview lasted around 20 minutes. Before leaving, he asked if I had any questions. I asked about the training process and work schedule, which showed him I was serious about the job. The next day, I received an email telling me that I had been selected. I still remember the happiness and relief I felt. I remember this interview so well because it was my first real step into the professional world. It taught me that preparation, confidence, and a positive attitude can make a big difference. It also gave me the courage to face future interviews without fear. That experience helped shape my communication skills and boosted my confidence in a big way.
Thank you, Jason. Part 3. Let's talk more about interviews. Why are interviews important for companies?
They help companies understand a candidate's personality, communication skills, and suitability for the role.
What challenges do people face during interviews?
Nervousness, difficulty expressing ideas, and unexpected questions can make interviews challenging.
Should schools teach students how to face interviews?
Yes, definitely. Interview skills are essential for future careers, and schools can help students feel more prepared.
Are online interviews better than in person interviews?
Online interviews are convenient, but in person interviews feel more personal and allow better interaction.
Do first impressions matter in interviews?
Yes, they matter a lot. Professional behavior, proper clothing, and confidence help create a positive first impression.
Thank you, Jason. That's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you very much.